Now to Washington, where President Trump is 4 days away from announcing his Supreme Court pick. The president has interviewed at least 7 candidates as he decides who will replace retiring Justice Anthony Kennedy. And there's some intense lobbying underway as the president nears his decision. ABC's Arlette Saenz has more from Washington.
President Trump celebrated Independence Day with military families at the White House as he narrowed down his Supreme Court shortlist. A source familiar with his interview efforts says the president has wrapped up his interviews, talking with 7 contenders. ABC News has learned the current frontrunners include Amy Coney Barrett, Brett Kavanaugh, Raymond Kethledge, and Amul Thapar, who all met with the president on Monday.
It's such an important decision, and we're going to give you a great one like Justice Gorsuch. We hit a home run there, and we're going to hit a home run here.
But one potential nominee is facing pushback from some top Republicans, Federal Court of Appeals Judge Brett Kavanaugh. The 53-year-old judge was a former clerk of retiring Justice Anthony Kennedy and worked in the White House under President George W. Bush.
To be a good umpire and a good judge, don't be a jerk.
Kavanaugh has also said judges should be willing to change.
It means having an open mind. It means a willingness to change your mind. That's something that judges have to do.
Some Republicans are worried Kavanaugh won't be a reliable conservative vote. ABC News has learned GOP Senators Rand Paul, Tom Cotton, and Ted Cruz called the president to express concerns. Sources tell ABC News some anti-abortion rights groups are quietly pushing for Judge Amy Coney Barrett, a devout Catholic and mother of 7. President Trump heads to Montana today for a campaign rally where he could give a hint about his decision. That formal announcement will come in a primetime event on Monday night. Arlette Saenz, ABC News, Washington.